What's good, y'all? This your man Chef iETEF, DJ K from Live and Direct right here from the streets, hitting you with that fresh Plantaga. If you don't know, now you know. This is what you need on the block if you got to get the grab and go. What we're gonna make today, we're gonna make a tuna sandwich. Let's chop it up. At Plantaga, you can get the good catch tuna, and sometimes you might want to try the Mediterranean, sometimes you want it the naked, you know, or you might even want to try the herbs and oil, the oil and herbs. Let's try this Mediterranean. Hey, it looks official. Whatever, like he poured that one pack in and that's all I had in there? Yeah, it's 2 packets. That's it. All you gotta do, slide it on your bread, have a nice night. That's all you need. That's all it takes for you to go ahead and grab and go. Get you some of that good catch tuna from Plantaga, and you can go ahead and try something like this where you can be slapping up them sliders. Go tell your Tia.